Alright everyone, welcome back. You guys know who it is. It's your guy, no way, it's Brandon. Coming at you guys again with another video for today. How you guys doing, man? You guys doing well? You guys doing great? You guys doing absolutely stupendously fantastic on this fine day, man. Jesus me, it has been a pretty good day, man. Not gonna lie to you guys, it has been a pretty good relaxing day. Just got home from work. You guys know how that spiel is, right? All my work buddies, how y'all doing, man, out there with the grind? What was I doing right now? Reloading some guns? Eliminate Plasma Blaster. Anyway, guys, what I wanted to talk to you about today was getting close with your subs. Now, this is mainly directed toward... let's see if I can get the shot. This is mainly directed toward you content creators, you fellow YouTube creators, YouTube video makers, whatever the hell you guys do on YouTube. Getting close to your subs is something that I've never really heard about. I've never really been told about, really, if that makes any sense. It was never really anything that had gotten brought up. I've always been told that you just gotta produce great content, be honest, all this great stuff, but something that I've noticed as a YouTube creator is getting close to my subscribers. Now, this is why I think it's really important. Only because, at least from what I've seen on the YouTube scene, a lot of people tend to neglect getting to know their subs, getting to know the people that actually watch them and that are dedicated to them. And I think that's a really big area that really needs to be emphasized and that really needs to not be neglected so much. Only because you don't want your fan base to feel neglected. You know what I'm saying? I mean, we're up here every single day. Well, some of us every single day. We're out here grinding, getting these videos out, shoveling things out with the squad, for the squad. But we don't even talk to them. Now, we speak to them in the video, but I'm speaking more so along the lines of in the comment section. Whenever I've watched some YouTube videos and I see that the content creator asks me a question within the video, I'll go and respond to their question in the comment section, but then they won't even give me any sort of response. They just say, hey, guys, let me know what you guys think about this, but then they won't even give me their feedback on it after I leave my feedback. I'm not a huge fan of that, only because I personally don't feel like that I'm being listened to or I'm being acknowledged. So that was one thing I wanted to do differently, because I don't feel as if I'd be doing my due diligence if I'm asking you guys, hey, what do you guys think about this? What do you guys think about that? You guys leave a comment down below, but then I don't even say anything afterward. Or sometimes someone will just leave a heart on my comment, which I guess it's fine. You somewhat acknowledge it, but I would like some kind of response. So I always say that you should always leave some kind of response to someone's comment. Granted, there are some people out there who have way too many comments to go through. Oh man, I can get one of these right now. Game over. Game over. Granted, there are some content creators who have way too many comments to go through, which I totally understand, but I mean, oh my god, I'm gonna die. But I mean, if you've got, I don't know, 20 comments, you can get through all those comments, you know what I'm saying? I mean, not only for the sake of your watchers, but it feels nice for the content creator to how do I say, just communicate to the following, you know what I'm saying? Just something about talking to you guys, for me personally, really does it for me. I don't know what it is. I've never felt so, I don't want to say free, but I've just never felt so close to people that I don't even know. Just by talking about some of the same things that we like. God, I'm gonna die in this thing. Just by talking about some of the same things that we like. Just by you guys saying something that, I don't know, that I had said in my video, such as, what do you guys think of Halo 5's map? Somebody said to me one time, oh, you don't like this new map in Halo 5 because of this and that. Then I told them, nah, not really, mainly because I wasn't good at it. But anyway, what I'm trying to say is that you always want to engage in a conversation with your audience, just because they're gonna get to know you better. They're gonna get to know you better, and they're gonna feel more inclined to watch you. And it's just a huge feel-good thing, man. It's a huge feel-good thing, and mainly because I personally, this is all just personal experience on how I feel about it. I'm not sure if this is the vast majority, but this is just something to always kind of think about. I personally had unsubscribed to some smaller channels only because they never really responded to my comments, even when I tried to DM them on, say, Instagram, because these guys are always leaving their little plugs saying, oh yeah, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, blah 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 blah. DM me, but then once I did that, I never got any sort of response. So I said, man, why am I even gonna bother? So that is actually something that I gotta do better at, because there are some of you guys who message me on Xbox, but for whatever reason, we just tend to miss each other, because every single time I'm online, some of you guys had left a message for me, but you weren't online, even though I did give some sort of response, but then as soon as you guys would jump online, I was already offline, so I just keep missing some of you guys. So my bad. I will try to do better at playing with some of you guys. Kean Myers, my boy. My bad, bruh. You and I will play some Halo at some point, man. I gotta figure out how to catch you at a good time. And especially at a time whenever I'm not recording. But anyway, back to what I was saying. It's a really important thing to always try to communicate with your audience as best as you can. Bro. Oh! I personally felt that I need to do a much better job at talking to you guys, whether it be on YouTube in the comment section, in the DMs and Instagram. By the way, if you guys want to go and follow your boy on Instagram, go ahead. Same name, no wait, it's Brandon. We out here making some photos and photoshops and all that cool fun stuff. Share some memes with me, man. I'm on there every single day. But anyway, like I was saying, enough of the plugs. Oh, what am I trying to... Oh, what? These guys? I should have gotten a different weapon, man. Oh! You know what, dude? Maybe I should get a vehicle. Nah, but I already spawned in this rocket launcher. I'll try to use it as best as I can. Does it have tracking on it? Nah, it doesn't have any tracking. Oh, but it's got multiple explosions. Bro, I gotta get closer to them, though, man. Oh! You guys see those Matrix dodges? You guys ain't never seen nothing like that, man. Oh, whoa. You know, there was actually a really nice comment from my boy. What's his name? No, this is Patrick. Oh no, let me actually load it up really quick, just to give you guys a prime example, because my boy is super dope, man. You know what it is too. When you're talking to your fan base, to your subscribers, it is a huge motivation booster, dude. Even for myself, because sometimes I ask myself, oh, why haven't I gotten more views? Why haven't I gotten more subs? I feel like I'm doing a great job. Oh, whenever you are actually talking to your subscribers, they're gonna leave some really nice messages, man, and they're gonna blow you away with some of the nice things that they say, because even though when you think no one's paying attention, even though when you think nobody is watching, somebody is always watching. And oh, my boy, you good? You're not good. Even when you think nobody is watching, somebody is watching, and they let you know. They say, yo, so and so, this is great content. Keep making it, bro. You're super funny, you're super this, you're super that. I actually died, so let me go and check out this. It says, no, this is Patrick. Keep up the good work, Brandon. Just stumbled upon your channel like a month ago, and you really present yourself like you've been doing YouTube for 5+ years. Enjoying the content, and it was a really long one. And then my boy, actually another guy named Patrick, says, Patrick, it's Pains. Definitely looking forward to the next one. See, this is what's good about small channels, casual Halo gaming with in-depth commentary about oatmeal. Just a bunch of nice stuff, man. People show and really appreciate all the stuff that you're doing, but only because I respond to them. But if I didn't respond to these guys, they probably wouldn't really care enough to actually leave any sort of comments. But either way, I always appreciate it, man. Well, yeah, we lost. That's alright, man. I don't really care anyway. Top 3, though. We always get top 3. At least we try to. But anyway, guys, pretty much what I was saying was that this guy's name is Utobes. Alright, Utobes. You totally suck. Nah, I'm just playing, bro. Anyway, like I was saying, man, it's always really important to keep in touch with your subs, just to talk to them, man, because making YouTube videos and just making content, if you are doing it by yourself, it can be a really lonely road, and if you're not really interacting with anyone, it can feel pretty dang lonely. But anyway, guys, thank you again for watching. I greatly appreciate it. I will see you guys in the next one, and as usual, I gotta figure out some kind of outro. Oh wait, and if you guys can please like, subscribe, comment, and enjoy the content, that would be absolutely stupendously fantastic. Okay, now I gotta figure out some kind of outro.